How to see hidden mention in Instagram stories. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram. So hiding mention in Instagram stories is a privacy concern of a person that posts the story. So as long as you are not the person that is being mentioned, you will not be able to see the hidden mentions. But if you are mentioned, you cannot see your name in the story, but you will get a notification in your chat that you were mentioned in the story, and you will also have an option of reposting it as per the story posters or users preference. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.